Leah tries eating the marble because she associates the marble as being food.
That's fine.
Leah displays the behavior of twisting in order to receive the reward of a treat. Reinforcement is an event that increases a behavior. Leah is being rewarded with a treat after correctly weaving through the popsicle sticks. The food is a primary reinforcer to Leah.
We negatively reinforce Leah by tapping her so that she'll do the maze right. Law of effect is when pleasant stimuli increases chance of behavior being repeated. We reinforce Leah's good behavior every time with food so that she'll do it more frequently. Punishment is an event that decreases a behavior. We nudge Leah every time she tried to wash herself in the middle of tricks.
Leah created a mental representation of the maze so she could run it correctly days later.
A fixed ratio reinforces behavior after a set number of responses. We used a fixed ratio with Leah so that she get a pellet for every 5 bar presses.
Hurry. She has one more press and she gets a pellet.
Leah jumps from desk to desk in order to receive the reward of her cage.
Instead of giving her food, she was rewarded with being able to run around in her cage.
Leah pushes the ball into the basket only when the reward of a treat is present.
Yeah. Wrong way. We push the ball just a little bit the other way.
By placing books in Leah's cage and gradually taking them away, Leah was able to learn how to jump out of her cage.
Now she's jumping. Come on, Leah. Come on, Leah. Good.
Leah's inborn reaction to the food is to salivate.
Leah quickly runs across the dowel rod to prevent falling onto the floor.
At first her hand meant nothing to Leah, but eventually she learned it meant climbing up our arm.